Alright, let's dive into how I share my digital business card and how you can do the same. The easiest way I've found is with a QR code. I keep it on my phone's wallpaper. That way, I just unlock my phone, show it, and people scan it to exchange details. If I know I'll be meeting a bunch of people, I'll set it up as a widget on my home screen. It's right there when I need it, no searching around for paper business cards. And with live activities, I can pin my QR code to the lock screen, so even if I'm mid-conversation or the phone's locked, it's still ready to go. After meeting someone, a text or email is sent to them automatically. This allows me to stay top of mind, and my new connection can view my details or my digital business card to engage with my social media or websites. I also have my card linked to my email signature. Every email I send out has it right there. I don't even think about it. It's always working in the background, perfect for following up with new connections without lifting a finger. If you've got an iPhone, storing your digital card in Apple Wallet is a no-brainer. It's a quick scan away whenever you need it, and you can make it look branded with a custom design. People love when you pull out Apple Wallet for something other than a boarding pass or coffee points. Direct messages are another great way to share your digital business card. After an event, I'll just drop my card link in a LinkedIn or Instagram message. Keeps things casual and easy without swapping phone numbers right away. Perfect for staying connected without overcommitting. Now, if you're into gadgets, you can also share your profile using NFC products, which are a solid option if you'd like to spark a conversation. Just tap the card and your info shows up on their phone. For virtual meetings, I usually drop my card link in the Zoom chat or add my QR code to my virtual background. And if there are multiple people in the meeting, they can all grab my info at once without me having to repeat myself. The best hack though is the Wave widget. I keep my card right on the home screen so it's always ready to go. No digging through apps or scrolling for links, just show, scan, and share, and you're done. That's how I keep things simple. Whether it's QR codes, texting, widgets, or dropping it in DMs, the goal is to make it as easy as possible for people to connect with you. As always, thank you for watching, and hopefully this was informative enough to show you how to share your digital business card. See you on the next video.